Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some cards that I'll be making. I'm headed to a crafty friend's house for a little crop with some other crafty people, and I just wanted to, make some little treats to hand out to the people who will be there. I'll be using this stamp set from Keep It Simple. I believe I got this last year, maybe the year before, but this is the first time I'm using it. It does come with this 6x8 stamps that says Best Witches. These are all the stamps that are included in the set, and then I also got the die to cut them out. So I will be stamping these out, the girls' images, and then I'll be coloring them, so I'll be playing some music through that process, and I will be back at the end to show you my coloring. It's a wee bit wicked, I think is the stamp line maybe, and then the set is called Best Witches. So cute, right? Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoy the process, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so after all the coloring I did, I assembled some cards and I have them here to share. I've already packaged them, so there might be a little glare, but I'll try to not have the glare. And then I did use some of Carrie at Double Click Connect, her dewdrops. I did add them to all of my cards. There's another one. And so I ended up with 9 of them. I ended up making 9 cards. And the base of the card bases are just bases that I already had in my stash. I've worked on backgrounds. And I have a whole stash of them. I like to work on backgrounds. In fact, I'll probably be maybe working on backgrounds tomorrow. So I'm heading to a crafty get-together. That's what these are for. But yeah, so those are the 9 cards that I ended up with. I do have some of the girls that I didn't use, and I'm saving them for a later project. But yeah, so the stamp set again was from Keep It Simple. And it's called Best Wishes. So cute. But I hope you guys found this inspirational. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.